These are Lefkada's 3 most famous beaches, and almost everyone visits them the hardest way possible. I booked one boat cruise from Nidri that visits all 3 and let the island come to me. We left Nidri at 9:30 in the morning, cruising down the Meganisi channel while everything was still calm and very quiet. This part already felt like a win because before you even reach a beach, the day feels easy. First stop, Egremni Beach. You get about 2 full hours here and the boat drops you directly onto the beach. If you know Egremni, you know what I'm about to say. No stairs, no climbing back up, just straight into some of the clearest water I've seen in Greece. This is the beach people avoid because of the effort, and by boat, that effort completely disappears. And this is where most people's expectations need a reset because the next stop works very differently. Porto Katsiki is iconic, but here's what almost no one reads before booking. You don't actually go onto the beach. You swim from the boat. Boats aren't allowed to dock onshore due to the crowds. The boat anchors offshore and you swim straight into the unreal blue water. Some people are really disappointed by this and it's a source of most negative reviews on these boat trips. Personally, I loved it. No crowds, no fighting for space. You get to jump off the boat directly, floating near the coast in the clearest water I had ever seen. But if stepping onto the sand matters to you here, this isn't that experience, and it's important to know that before you book. The final stop is where the afternoon slows down and where the day really ends on a high. The last stop is either Ayofili or Lakka Beach, depending on crowds and condition. Both are smaller, calmer, and perfect for a final swim. This is the kind of place where you stop checking the time because you've already done everything you came for. A few things to know before booking because this is a swimming only cruise. These beaches are pristine. No cafes, no facilities, no reception most of the time. Bring water, bring snacks, bring cash. If you're expecting organized beach clubs, this isn't that kind of day. This cruise is great if you want the famous beaches without the effort and without the stress. It's not for you if you need comfort, shade, or structured stops. Knowing that makes all the difference. This is the exact cruise I took and I've linked it below if you want to check availability. Just make sure you're booking on a good weather day because when the conditions are right, this is honestly one of the best ways to see Lefkada. By the time we got back to Nidri that afternoon, I realized something. Lefkada's most famous beaches aren't hard to reach, they're just better from the water. Now that you know the easiest way to see Lefkada's most famous beaches, you're going to need to know where to stay and what not to waste time on, because if you don't, you'll spend half your trip driving in circles or booking things that look amazing online but in reality aren't. I break it all down for you in my Lefkada travel guide playlist right here.